Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel. And today we're going to be talking about an early saint named Corona, who's since become a social media darling. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com if you're interested in purchasing any of the books and the best-selling secrets on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. In uncertain times, it helps to have a powerful person on your side, and the corona pandemic is no exception. As millions scramble to adjust to life under quarantine, Twitter and other social media outlets have sprouted interest in Saint Corona, patroness of plagues, transitioning her from a largely forgotten saint to literally a mainstream sensation. Corona was a 16-year-old married woman in 179 AD when her brother-in-law Victor was tortured, that's him on the left, was tortured and killed for being Catholic by his fellow gladiators. Corona saw two crowns come down from heaven, one for Victor and the other for herself. This revelation calls Corona to be killed next by bending down two palm trees, strapping her between the two palms, and when the palms were released back to full height, she split in two. Corona means crown, which is where the virus gets its name from the spikes of protein that form a crown around the virus. Until now, Corona was a patroness for metal detectors and gamblers, folks trying to get rich quick. However, Saint changes with the times and often adopts new specialties. We already have two local lads that aid in plagues. One on the left there is Saint Roque, just to your left also as you enter the parochia. Saint Roque, or Rocco, where Madonna named her first son for, is seen lifting his skirt to show you a scar on his leg indicating he had the plague. Kicked out of Rome for being infected, he survived thanks to a dog that arrived daily with bread. While Roque ate the bread, the dog licked the wound, healing the plague. Today, San Roque is the patron saint of dogs and plagues. Hence why most vet stores in town are called San Roque, for the patron of dogs, and why San Roque leads the Easter processions. He is being thanked for his help in ending past plagues. But Roque isn't the only local lad specializing in plagues. To the right there, in the Tocantinilco is the Lord of the Column, a life-size image of Jesus leaning on a column while being whipped. He is believed to have ended a plague in 1823, and for that, gets the honor of starting the Easter season here in San Miguel each year. Well, except this one. His daybreak procession is one of our most moving. Mexicans are nothing if not welcoming, and if Saint Corona lends us a hand in these troubling times, I'm sure her May 14th feast day will be widely celebrated. My guess is we'll include a lot of her namesake beer at the fiesta. Perhaps in addition to adding plagues to her patronage, she too will be featured in future Easter processions. Fingers crossed. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and get notified when new videos come out every week in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.